Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with yet another hack on how to grow your hair. With increasing levels of dust, dirt and pollution, our hair loses its luster and eventually becomes brittle and dull. But as always, I have a solution for that. Green tea is anti-inflammatory in nature. And as we all know, dandruff causes an itchy scalp and leads to hair loss. And with green tea's anti-inflammatory properties, you'll have a clean scalp free from infections. Green tea also has properties to remove bacteria and fungus. We know it's gross, but our scalps are the perfect breeding ground for fungus and bacteria. These unwanted inhabitants weaken your hair roots and often lead to hair loss. Green tea also contains catechins, which are antioxidants in nature. These compounds help in reducing DHT, which is responsible for hair loss. Green tea is also rich in polyphenols, which is great for hair growth as well. It strengthens your hair roots and activates your hair follicles. Green tea is a powerhouse of nutrients including vitamin B. And vitamin B plays a major role in controlling hair fall. In 1 cup of boiling water, add 2 tea bags of the green tea. Mix well and let it stand to cool. Once cool, after shampooing and conditioning, you can just use this as a final rinse. Leave this on for about 10 minutes and once done, rinse off thoroughly with cool water. And that's it. Never let an opportunity pass by where you're washing your hair to either use a hair mask or a hair rinse. It's the easiest way to get your hair in its best shape. If you're looking for more videos such as this to grow your hair, strengthen it, and get it long and luscious, I do have a few more videos such as this one that I'll link down in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and be the change you want to see.